Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make smooth cloud transition in After Effects. First, ready with your clips. Now take a black solid layer. Now apply S wipe clouds on solid layer. Set wipe percentage 100 and make a keyframe in first frame. Now go in frame and set value 0. Now select both keyframe and make graph like me. After that, duplicate solid layer and adjust it like me. Now go in keyframe assistant and set time reverse keyframe. After that, go in transform and click on flip horizontal. Now our smooth wipe cloud transition is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.